Welcome! Today in front of me Realme 8i and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. First go to the Play Store and here in search pool just type the green Apple keyboard. Green Apple keyboard. Now just we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while it's installing. So now click to open and tap to enable in settings. Here you'll see the green Apple keyboard, just tap on the switcher to activate and now go back. Here just tap to switch input methods and just select the English United States keyboard. So just go to back. That's done, and now we will check. Just go to the messages, for example, and start chat, for example, with HardReset. Now when you just type here the message, so you will see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.